Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica and in today's video I will be cleaning and decorating the master bedroom and bathroom. I will be adding a little bit of a boho chic style to the master bedroom. I am absolutely loving it and I hope that this video gives you some cleaning motivation as well as some decorating inspiration. So let's just get right into this video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take the sheets off the bed, get those going in the washer. I will be using the Gain scent beads in this load. I normally don't use these, but I really wanted to use them on my sheets. They smell really, really good. So that's what I'm doing right there. I'm just adding a little capful in there, and then I will be using the Tide detergent. I normally do not use Tide, but I really had no other options when I went to the store. So that's what I'm using today, and then I'm using the Downy, the rose scented Downy, and it smells a lot like the Love Home and Planet softener that I really love. So I'm just going to quickly show you two new things that were recently added to this master bedroom, and one is this decor piece that I have hanging above my bed. This is so incredibly easy to make. I just grabbed a stick from outside, cut it to the size that I wanted, and then I took some old lace and some ripped up fabric. You can also use yarn, and then I just tied a few white feathers to this, and it just makes a really pretty decor piece, and I absolutely love it, and it really adds that style of boho chic to this bedroom. I also wanted to free up the space that we had on the nightstand, so my husband added these two lights to the wall. I think it works out perfectly, and it actually gives more light to this room, and I absolutely love them. To think I had plenty. So before I do any decorating, I'm just going to clean up in here just a little bit, and I'm going to take everything off of this wall here. I'm going to decorate this wall a little bit differently, and I'm going to also fill the holes that I have put in the wall, and I love this product. I will show you what it is in just a second, but I will be cleaning off this dresser as well and the two nightstands. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-purpose cleaner for the dresser and the nightstands, and it will be in the rose scent. And then I'm just going to be using a lavender scented Windex to clean the mirror. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I would absolutely love that. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now before you forget. And I post every single week, 2 to 3 videos per week, and they are mostly cleaning and decorating. So if you are into that sort of thing, I would absolutely love to have you part of my channel. To have a good time. My life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just for this video, I am using items that I have already had. So I had this planter from many years ago, and I don't think I have used it in quite some time, and I thought it would look perfect here on my dresser, and I purchased that at Hobby Lobby, and then I'm just adding some faux plants to that, and then I'm going to take my oils from the container that it was in, and I'm going to add it to this, and I just feel like it's a little bit smaller and it holds them better. And then I'm going to take 2 of these jute baskets and I'm going to hang them on the wall and place some plants in them. The one on the top is actually a real plant, and then the one here on the bottom is a faux plant. I purchased this fern at Hobby Lobby.
Story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in.
I do get asked about my bedding quite often. I purchased it at Target. If I can find a link, I will go ahead and leave that in my description box. These pillows here, I did purchase those from IKEA, and the shams were purchased from Amazon. I will go ahead and leave links to those as well. If there's anything in this video that you are curious to know where I purchased it, just go ahead and ask down in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer. So once I'm finished decorating and cleaning up in here, I am going to get my diffuser started, and I will be using some jasmine and some rose scented essential oils. I purchased these from, I believe I purchased these at HomeGoods, and the brand is Woolsey's. It's my absolute favorite brand, and I love the way these two smell together. So here in the bathroom, I'm just changing things up just a little bit. I decided to take these 2 wall quotes off of the wall here, and then I'm going to replace them with some mini mirrors. They have that boho shabby chic style look, or boho chic look to them. And then I wanted to add some greenery up here as well, and I did have this little decor piece with these 2 vases on it. I purchased that, I believe it was Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's, I can't remember, it was a really long time ago. And then I decided to just add a few pieces of greenery to that, and then I'll just be adding a candle back here on the shelf, as well as a little mini clock. And I'm just going to be cleaning up the countertops and the sinks really well, and I will be using the same cleaner that I used in the bedroom, and that is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-purpose cleaner, and it is in the rose scent.
I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
And it shows if I'm